Good morning students. Today we are going to learn find highest common factor 15 and 35. So first you find the factors of 15 and then find factors of 35. You know the divisibility test 5 in a divisibility test 5 in a unit place 0 or 5 is present. So this number is divisible by 5. So this number is divisible by 5. So see here, first you find factors of 15. Factors of 15 is equal to 1 is a factor of every number. So first you write 1. Then in a 2. 2 is not divisible by 15. Then you check next 3. 3 5 is 15. So write here 3. 4. 4 is also not divisible by 15. 5. 5 3 is 15. Then next 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 1 50. So here only 4 factors of 15. 1, 3, 5 and 15. Then next you find factors of 35. Factors of 35 is equal to first one is a factor of every number. Then next 2 is not divisible by 35. Then next 3 is not also divisible by 35. Then 4 not 5 7 the 35. Then 6, then 7 is divisible by 35. Then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 35 1 the 35. And then first you write the common factors of, therefore common factors of 15 and 35 are, common factors of 15 and 35 are 1 present in 1 both the numbers. Then 3 is not present here, but 5 present in both the numbers. Then here only 2 factors 1 and 5. So write here, therefore highest common factor of 15 and 35 is 5. Highest common factor is 5 and lowest common factor is 1. Then next, second, 18 and 45. So first you find factors of 18. Factors of 18 is equal to 1 is a factor of every number. So first you write 1, 2 9 is 18, yes. Then 3 6 is 18, yes. 3 is a factor of 18. Then 4 is not divisible by 18. Then 5 also not divisible by 18. 6 3 is 18. Then 7 8 not divisible by 18. Then 9 2 is 18. Then 18 1 is 18. Then next, factors of 45. Here unit place is 5. So 1 is a factor of every number. Then 3, 15 3 is a 45. Or 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. So 3 is a factor of 45. Then 5 9 is 45. 4 is not divisible by 45. Then 6 is not divisible by 45. 6, 7, 8, 9 5 is 45. Then 15 3 is 45. Then 45 1 is 45. So first you write common factors of, therefore common factors of 18 and 45 are 1 present in both the numbers. Then 2 is not present here. So next 3 is present both the numbers, both the factors of numbers. Then 9 is also present in both. 6, 5, 18. No one common number. Only 3 common numbers here. 1, 3, and 9. 1, 3, 9 are common factors of 18 and 45. But you want highest common factor. So right here, therefore, highest common factor of 18 and 45 is 9. Is 9. Next, third one. 16, 48 and 80. So first you find the factors of 16, 48 and 80. Here 3 numbers are given. Here 2 numbers. So first you find the factors of 18 and 45 and then find the common factors and then you choose highest common factor. So highest common factor is 9. So right here 9. So again same process follow here. First you find factors of 16. Factors of 16 is equal to 1 is a factor of every number. 2 8 is a 16. 3 is not divisible by 16. Next 4 4 is a 16. Then 5 is not divisible by 16. 6 7 not divisible by 16. Then 8 2 is a 16. So right here 8 and then 16 on the 16. Then next you find factors of 48. Factors of 48 is equal to first one is a factor of every number. 2 is divisible by 48. Why? Here unit place is 8 and 8 is divisible by 2. So 2 is a factors of 48. The next 3 4 plus 8 12 and 12 is divisible by 3. So 3 is also factor of 48. 3. Then 4 1 is 4 4 2 is 8. So 4 is also divisible by 48. Then 5 is not divisible by 48. 6 8 is 48. Then 7 8 6 are 48. Then 9 is not divisible by 48. 12 4 is 48. 24 2 is 48. And then 48. 16 3 is also 48. 16 3 is 48. Sixteen 3 is 48. Here 24 and 48. On the 48. Then you find factors of 80. Factors of 80 is equal to 1 is a factor of every number. Then 2 42 is 80. Then 3 is not divisible by 80. Then 4 42 is 80. 4 is divisible by 80. 5 is also divisible by 80. Why? Here unit place 0 is present and the divisibility test of 5 is when unit place 0 and 5. So divisible by 5. So write 16 5 are 80. So 5 is a factor of 80. Then 6 is not divisible by 80. 7 8 10 are 80. So 8 is 9 is not divisible by 80. Then 10 8 are 80. Then 11 12 13 14 15 16 5 are 80. Then 24 are 80. And then 20. After 20 40 and 81 the 80. And then you write common factors of 18. Common factors of 16, 48 and 80 are, so you find common factors 1 here 1, then 2 2, 2. Then 3 is present here, but in 80 or in 16, 3 is not present. Next 4 is present, 4, 4, 4. Then 8, 8, 8. So only 4 factors are. And then 16 also, 16, 16, 16. Means 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 are common factors. So right here, therefore highest common factor of highest common factor of 16, 48 and 80 is 16. Next, fourth example. Twelve, 30 and 54. 12, 30 and 54. So again, you find highest common factor. So first we write factors of 12. Factors of 12 is equal to 1 is a factor of every number. 1, 2 6 are 12, 3 4 are 12, 4 3 are 12, 6 2 are 12, 12 1 are 12. 12 1 are 12. Then next you find factors of 30. Factors of 30. So again 1 is a factor of every number. 2 is divisible by 30. Yes, 15 2s are 30. So 2, 3 10s are 30. Then 4 is not divisible by 30, but 5 is divisible by 30. 5 6 are 30, 6 5 are 30. Then 10 3s are 30. 15 2s are 30, 31 are 30. Then find factors of 54 is equal to 1 is a factor of 54, 2 is divisible by 54, in a unit place 4 is present, so this number also divisible by 2. So here 27 2s are 54. Then 3 is divisible by 54, 5 plus 4 9, 9 sum of the digit is 9, 9 is divisible by 3, so also 3 is a factor of 54. Then 4 is not divisible by 54. Then 5 is not divisible by 6, 9 are 54. Then 7 8 is not divisible by 54, but 9 6 are 54. Then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 3s are 54. Then 27 2s are 54. And then 54 1s are 54. And then you write common factors of 12, 30 and 54 are 1 is present in both the three numbers. Then 2 is also common factors of, then 3 3 3. Then 4 5 not present, but 6 is present. All the three numbers 6 6 6. And then only 4 factor 1 2 3 and 6. 1 2 3 and 6 are common factors, but you want highest common factor. So right here, therefore highest common factor of 12, 30 and 54 is 6. So remaining examples, you do it. Thank you.